guys, so today we will be seeing how to build a 3D hover flipper using CSS and CSS and HTML. We will be not using JavaScript today for this project. So this is what we are going to build today, and let's code for this project. So basically we will be having two files today. One will be HTML and the other one will be CSS. For HTML we will be having HTML code. This is just a basic start for an HTML, and here we will be saying hover image, or let us make it 3D hover image. So it's a 3D hover image, and as you can see, because it is giving a 3D effect to our image, and so let's start the code. And we will be having one div with class container, and we will be having one div inside container div, which will be having a class of CC. For now it's a card container, but I would like to write it CC in short form. And then we will be having one class of cards, and then we will be having two more divs inside it. One will be having a class of card front, and one will be having a class of card back. And here we go, we have our basic HTML setup. And for our front class we will be having an h1 of front portion, and there will be a paragraph tag for something text here. And we will be having h1 for our back class, which will be having text as back portion. You can write anything here which you want for your website. I'm just creating a template of this hover image. So it's just we will be having a class of btn, and here we will be liking click me. Yeah, we are done. C-L-I-K, I guess. Yeah, click me. And we are done with our HTML code. Now let's move for the styling. And here we go. First of all, we will be removing all the margins and padding that is provided by our browser. So this is our page that we have just made. This is a fresh page that we have just made. Let me close this one. Yeah. So first we will be removing all the padding and margin from our web page. After doing this, we will be saying that box sizing, border box, and we will be also having one common font for our website, that is font family Arial. And yeah, we are done with this also. Now, before doing any other changes, let us link our CSS file with our HTML file, and for that we will be using link tag, and it's RELSTYLESSWT. Oh, so many E's. And href for the linking purpose, and our CSS file is linked. So we have done with our basic CSS, means just the starting CSS, and have prepared our index.html, that is our HTML file. So let's give styling to our elements, and for that we will be starting with container. So I will be taking this. Okay, now to give basically to give style in HTML from an external style sheet, we use dots in front of any class name, and we use hashtag for in front of any ID name. So for now I will be just naming not this one. Suppose we named this button. This button is not a class, it has an ID. Okay, so to access this button we will be saying that how we can do with IDs, how we can give styles to our IDs. Everything will be same, just there is some syntactical error, not error, basically a syntactical change to give styles to a class and styles to a ID. So we will be having here a display of flex, and it will be having a justify content center, not baseline, center. Yeah. Okay, first we will be seeing that what is the background of our container tag. Okay, so we will be writing it with 100% and a height of 100 vh. Yeah, now it is covering our whole page. Fine. And we will be giving here an align items of center, so that we can have a center card. Yeah, because this was because I made it center. You can have your own stylings for this. You can try with other options of you can give a height of 90 vh and it will be giving you a small space downwards. So you can adjust this according to yourself. And after this we will be having, okay, let's now move to not yeah, let's move to card. So for card we will be having a, first we will be having a background color so that we can find the difference between our everything. And okay, first we will be saying this CCC to be having a width. This will be the width of our card, that what exact width we want for our cards. So let us give it 320 pixels and a height of 400 pixels. Let's see this. Okay, 400 is very less, my bad. Okay, there is something. Okay, let's give a supposition of relative, and okay, we have this now. Fine. Okay, let's keep this for now and move to our card portion, or let us remove this for now. And give this width of 100% and a height of 100%. So yeah, I guess I have given right name. Yeah, card. So let's see what's the matter for now. Yeah, we would be needing this CC and a width of 320 pixels and a height of 420 pixels. Yeah, here we go. Our card is ready. Now let's make some or let's give animation to it. So right now, if I will be giving animation to our card, and before animation, let us complete our all other elements. So I guess it was front, yeah, card front, and it will be having a display of flex, and here we will be having justify content, center, align item center, and ooh, 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 flex direction, flex direction column. Okay, we have, if we want to remove this back portion for now, we can do by let's add this class name of what should we give it? Let's just give it a class name of sides. Yep, sides, and this also a class name of sides. Cool. After giving this, we can say that dot cards dot sides must be having a width of 100%, height of 100%, and a position absolute. And to make this work, we need to give this a position of relative. Yeah. So we are done with our front side. Now let's code for our back side. And this will be same, just we will be naming it as backside. Cool. Now for our front and back side, let's okay, there is some issue, it is not moving back. Why? Let's have okay. Let's give this an image. So let's set its background URL. This is our image. I have pre-downloaded the image and then have used it from it. RGBA. Okay, now this is just to make image some light. Let me show you how our image will be looking for now. So okay, image is not fully displayed, and to display the image we have to give it a background size of cover. Cool. Now let's give it a font color also, because our font is not visible for now. And after doing that, we can right now our image is very much light. So to give this dark effect, I will be using linear gradient, because we don't want any gradient type effect like from left to right or from center to all around. We just want a black portion for our image, and so for that we will be using this linear gradient, and we will be having same color RGBA, same black color for 0.2. Yeah. this 0.2 will be giving some opacity to our image. And here we go. Wow, a whole we messed with something, but what? Let me check it out. Background linear gradient RGBA. Okay, we want a close up here. Now we are good to go. Okay, so our front card is ready, our back card is ready. Now let's see how we can give this a animation. Okay, before that, let's add this styles will be added to a card. And okay, we are done with our styling. Now we just need to give some this transform of first a position of absolute. Okay, this already have a position of absolute, my bad. So to make it work, first of all we have to give this a transform and rotate, not 3D, rotate y-axis, because we want to rotate in this straight direction. Okay, we don't want to flip like a back flip, we want to just rotate it from its axis. So for that I will be using 180 degrees, and I don't know why this both are not going back to each other. I am missing something, but what? I have given a display of flags, a background color, width, height, justify, sent, content, align items, and then we have okay, let's it's fine. Then where is the problem? But we already have this. Then what is the problem? Position absolute is not working. Wait. Position. Okay, this position have to be given to RC. No, it was right. Then why I made that mistake? Oh, I'm so idiot. I guess. Let's not give this relative for a second. Oh, that made blender to a website. Okay, let's add a transformation, and then we will be looking what was the problem. And we will be having this hover effect, and it will give into this also, and here we'll be saying transform y to 180 degree. Okay, so now when it gives this, now this will be having a transition of transform 0.6 seconds, and it will be is in, and we will be having a transform size to preserve 3D. Yeah, one side is good to go, but not our other one. So now we will be having, let's remove this for a second. Okay, that was pretty nice for now. Oh, not this. We want a transform of angle 180 degree. Yeah. So okay, we have to give this also a background color of black. Now we have finally achieved our goal of. So let me explain what actually it is happening. It is rotating our card to y-axis of 180 degree. So now the portion that was our front side will become our back side, and the portion that was our back side will become our front side, and we are preserving our transform style so that we don't have some zigzag animation, and we are also using transition on transform function with a delay of 0.6 seconds so that it give us a smooth effect. So we are done with our styling of Flipkart. Now let's see how we can use ID of button and give this a style. So this was our BTN class ID, and to give this a style, first I will be saying border none, padding of padding of 1 hour em, and we will be having a background color of okay, this blue. So here we go, and we will be having a pointer cursor as pointer. This cursor will be as pointer. So we what happened to this? Button is not showing. Okay, yeah, now it is showing. Good. And we will be also, let's style our button somewhat more. Let's change its background color to something in this blue which matches. Yeah. So here we go. Okay. Let's give this a full intensity and a light color. Yeah. So we are done with our buttons. We are done with our sides. We can also give this a card shadow effect by using box shadow. So box shadow of 15 pixels, 20 pixels and 15 pixels, and with a color of RG yeah, hashtag 333. This is a shade of black. So oh wow, it's looking awesome for now. So this is it for today, guys. We have made a 3D hover image using transform and basically a style sheet and HTML. So I hope you like this video and give me a comment if you want such 3D effects and more animation like of stuff with CSS and HTML. And we will be continuing our CSS playlist from today. So from today you will be getting more awesome projects like this for CSS and HTML. So like the video and share it with your friends if you really want some creative content like this. So let's meet in next video. Till then, bye bye guys.